Hi students, welcome to Matrix classes. In this video, we'll start our classes on trigonometry. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics in which we discuss about the relation between sides and angles of a triangle. So basically in trigonometry, we study about angle and its measurement and how you can relate that with the sides of a triangle. Okay, the first we will start with angle. So, what is angle? How you define an angle? So, angle is defined as a union of two rays. If two rays meet at a common point, the shape formed is called as angle. Okay, we can use three letters to represent the angle. So, generally we use three letters like angle AOB. This point, the common point is called vertex. So when you write the angle, that common point must be in the middle where you are measuring the angle. Or the other way of representing the angle is we can use letters, small letters like alpha, beta, or A or X like this to represent the angle. Okay, so here I can write angle AOB equal to alpha. Okay, now we'll take up measurement systems. Okay, the first one is sexagesimal system. In angle measurement systems, the first one is sexagesimal system. So in sexagesimal system, angle is measured in terms of degrees, minutes, and seconds. Degrees, minutes, and seconds. One right angle is divided into 90 equal parts and each part is called a degree. One right angle is divided into 90 equal parts and each part is called a degree. And 1 degree is again divided into 60 equal parts and each part is called a minute. And 1 minute is again divided into 60 equal parts and each part is called a second. Okay, so in sexagesimal system we use degrees, minutes, seconds. One right angle is divided into 90 equal parts and each part is called a degree. And 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts and each part is called a minute. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts and each part is called a second. So from this I can write 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees. In the similar way, 1 minute is equals to 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 degrees. So when you go for conversion from minutes to degrees, or if you want to convert minutes into degrees, you should divide by 60. If you want to convert seconds into degrees, you should divide by 3600. Okay, now we will take up centesimal system. In centesimal system, we use grades, minutes, and seconds. So here, one right angle is divided into 100 equal parts and each part is called a grade. So we will write one right angle is equal to 100 grades. Now one grade is divided into 100 equal parts and each part is called a minute. And 1 minute is divided into 100 equal parts and each part is called a second. Okay. Now if you want to convert these minutes into grades, 1 minute can be written as 1 by 100 grades. Suppose if you want to write seconds in terms of grade, you should divide by 10,000 grades. Okay. Now let us see one or two examples how you can interconnect these two systems. Suppose if I give you 30 degrees and 15 minutes. How you convert this completely in terms of degrees? We have discussed that. So 30 degrees, you can write this is equals to 30 degrees, you will write as it is 30 plus minutes. If you want to convert into degrees, you should divide by 60. So that will be equal to 30 plus 1 by 4. So which can be written as 31 by 4 degrees or 121 by 4 degrees. Okay, let us take one more example. Suppose you have 30 degrees, 30 minutes, 30 seconds. How you convert this in terms of degrees? Yeah, so 30 degrees, you will write 30 plus 30 minutes, you will write 30 by 60 plus 30 seconds, you should divide by 3600. So you can write it as 30 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 120. So you can write, if you take the LCM, you will get 120. So it is 30 into 120 plus 60 plus 1. So this is 3600 plus 60 plus 1 by 120. So you can write 3661 by 120 degrees. Okay, this is how you convert the minutes and seconds in terms of degrees completely, and we will discuss what is the use of this concept. Okay, and if you want to relate these two systems, means sexagesimal system and centesimal system, this is the formula what we can use. So d by 90, degrees by 90 equal to grades by 100, or you can see d by g is 9 by 10. That multiplying factor is 9 by 10. Suppose, let us take one example. Suppose if I give you the angle as some 30 degrees, how you convert this into grades? Very simple, you can write theta is equals to 30 into that multiplying factor is 10 by 9 if you want to convert into grades. So that will be equal to 300 by 9. You can write it as 100 by 3 grades. Suppose if I give the angle as some 45 degrees. So how to convert this in terms of grades? So you can write it as 45 into that multiplying factor is 10 by 9 So it will be 5 times, so 50 grades. Okay,